Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create an account on Trello, so let's get right into it. Firstly, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into this page, which is Trello.com, and once you're here, you're just going to arrive at this main page. As you can see, Trello is made by Atlassian, so you could also go to the Atlassian site and then navigate to Trello, but this is a much simpler path. Now, once you're here, all you're going to have to do is click get Trello for free, and then here you can choose to create an account or sign up with a different service. You can sign up with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. In my case, I've made an account with Google, but you can also just sign up with entering any mail that you wish. Just enter your mail, and then you'll be prompted to enter a password and maybe tweak some other personal information. And then once you're done with that, you'll have your Trello account open. You will want to go to your email address and confirm that your account has been made well, and just confirm your email address with the link that you get there. And once you do that, your account will be set up, and you can very easily use Trello either on the internet or on the web browser, on the phone, or on your PC. If you download the client, it really doesn't matter. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.